Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Humble Bundle pack for Unreal Engine of this low poly game dev bundle. It's only $25 in order to get all 36 items, and it has a $798 value, and let's go ahead and check these out. So this is the construction pack overview. It comes with quite a few trees, low poly fences, and so on. And as you can see in this yard, there's some campfire, trees, bench, barbecue set, etc. And inside this shed looking thing, there's some closets, furnace, logs, tables, an attic, a secret basement looking thing, a bedroom, kitchen appliances, a workshop, and so on. This is the Mega Survival Tools Kit, and it comes with a ton of barrels, toolboxes, paint stuff, quite a few tanks, storage containers, and so on. I'm honestly really loving these designs. These low poly kits are actually really nice looking. And this is the Poly Mega Survival Food. Comes with pizza, hot sauce, cheese, a ton of soda cans, as well as low poly pineapples, fruits like pumpkin, tomatoes, bananas, etc., and some vegetables, and some thick jugs and Coca-Cola liters. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's a snack. Okay, this is a snack bag. That was confusing to me. Yeah, water bottles, flasks, looks like a bunch of potions, etc., and fresh meat. And this pack is the Medical Survival Mega Kit. Comes with this giant hut that you can go inside. And this set is very modular to make some, I guess, little medical buildings or even a hospital. There are also some preset meshes of these little tiny buildings. And it also comes with a ton of doctor equipment such as beds, wheelchairs, drawers. And yeah, overall, it looks really nice. I actually really like this design. I personally would never need it, but it looks great to me. And far off in the pack, kind of like at the end of the map, you'll see some med kits, pills, so on. This is giving me Left 4 Dead vibe. And yeah, it looks great. Coolers, and yeah, I really like this style. I really like this company that makes these low poly designs. They all look really clean. Now, this is the low poly survival weapons. So there are a ton of machetes, katanas, samurai swords. This looks like a sword saw, chainsaw mix, knives, butcher knife, axes, hammers, these little saw things, or a sickle looking thing on a stick, clubs with nails on it, shovels, fire hydrant, a baton, shovels, guitar, golf club, a rake, or a pitchfork, I mean, and so on. These look really nice though. I really like how these look. This is the survival. This is the light survival forest kit. Comes with quite a few trees, some rocks. The grass actually looks really nice, and the water is pretty stylized as well. This is the military shooting range. Comes with a bunch of barbed wire and a training camp, a watchtower. It actually comes with a pretty nice fence. Ground textures are actually really nice, pretty stylized. A bunch of tire stuff, looking like a workout session. Bean bags, and a bunch of target shooting practice stuff. Some military style bedrooms, bathrooms, and some solar panel stuff. This is the SciFi Sandbox kit with quite a few modular pieces that comes with it. So here's a really cool looking truck. Here are some modular tunnels, so you can create something like this on the side that it shows an example of little bases inside. Here's the inside of what a base looks like, and you can have players travel within these tunnels. It also comes with some sci-fi looking ore and plants, and some sci-fi looking rocks and mineral with some emissive colors on it. And there are also ground pieces that you can add on to your games. Also comes with some furniture and futuristic kitchen appliances, as well as some of these high-tech machines that I have no idea what they're used for. This looks straight out of Inside Out, but I'm sure that's very common everywhere. And here are some really large machines that you can probably craft high-tech stuff with. This is giving me a very Astroneer vibe, if anyone's ever played that game. Amazing game, 10 out of 10, love it. And they did use Unreal Engine to make that game, so feel free to check it out. This is the Polygon City Megapolis pack, or Megapolis, whatever. So there's some fences, there are some random modular sinkholes along with some broken boats. There's a roller coaster and a hot air balloon, a Ferris wheel, tennis court, a track field, a bunch of sports stuff, construction cranes, and there are bathrooms and stalls and tracks and so on. And there's a bunch of modular road pieces here. There's also some low poly city looking buildings. There are also some fancy looking houses here, along with some office buildings, a hospital, a very large airport with airplanes, helicopters, buses, some gardening stuff, farms, farm equipment, farmhouse. And here's some low poly trees, mountains, hills, some modular land pieces, plants, modular road pieces, fancy looking cars, a fire truck, and parts to make a racetrack. This this looks like a metro station with modular tracks on it, so you can have a subway go around town. Here is a bridge that kind of looks like the San Francisco Bridge, and some modular road parts. Here's a boat with a lighthouse or multiple types of boats, and some construction stuff, and some electric generating factory looking stuff, and letters that you can put on your levels as 3D meshes. So here is an example of the demo city, and this looks way better. I probably just should have showed this off instead of going over the pieces by itself. So there's some really big airplanes that looks really close to the ground, neighborhoods with hot air balloons all around town, a subway going across town. Here's another demo of the sea with some boats, bridges, airplanes, lighthouse. And here's another demo of the racetrack. So you can see the audience stands back there and a Mario Kart looking map. And this is the low poly houses pack. And here are some cars to start with, along with a helicopter, some colored trees, and modular parts for the ground, and a bunch of low poly buildings. So here is an example level of the daytime. And this looks really nice. I love the way they set this up. And here's an example level on at night. And now this is the Mega Survival Kit. And as you can see, some tents, life rafts, or kayak. There's also camping equipment like bags, guitars, medical kit, a radio, a flare gun, walkie-talkie, and so on. Rubik's Cube. Here's also some medical supplies along with some pills, syringes. Here's a campfire and a cooking set and a portable grill. And here is a lot of different types of food along with some meat. And here are some, survival equipments. Saws, hammers, a bunch of tools, torch, shovel, fishing rod, and so on. And this looks really useful for a survival type game. Hence why it's called Survival Kit. And this is some more equipment. Oh, it even comes with some nice looking weapons. A really nice looking low poly bow and arrow and a crossbow, along with shotguns and pistols. Even some sniper rifles and ARs and AK-47s. And this is the low poly New York level kit. This is the nighttime level. And here's another example of a little apartment they made. It seems that there are a ton of modular pieces in this kit, and you can really assemble however you want it. And this is a little overview of all the parts. So there are a lot of trees and room for the roads, a ton of different type of doors and window ways that you can see here, and a lot of staircases that you can put on the side of the house, and some text that says restaurant as a 3D mesh. And this is the low poly Wild West, which comes with quite a few cactuses, rock formations, trees, plants, along with some trains, railroad tracks, and so on. Also comes with quite a few modular pieces to assemble your own buildings. It has quite a few furniture pieces, pianos, kitchen tools, and so on. And anything or everything you need for a saloon. And now let's look at an example demo that's made by the low poly Wild West kit. So as you can see, there are quite a few buildings, all modular pieces made. And inside this one, it's just a blank room. And you'll see this kind of cowboy looking bar, kind of old school. And if you were to go inside, you'll see a bunch of bar equipment, some furniture with a piano on the side, a chimney and an eating area, and it goes upstairs. And in the upstairs, there are some bedrooms, another seating area, and another bedroom. And as you can see, there are quite a few things you can do with this because it's modular. It would just take a lot of time for me personally, but I really do like this kit. And this is the low poly weapons kit, which has a ton of different styles of low poly guns. This to me looks really high quality. I am absolutely loving how these look. I feel like this would look great as a first person shooter or even a third person shooter. These guns and these ammos just look really high quality. Here's some rocket launchers, a C4, an LMG, and a heavy machine gun, sniper rifle, and just a ton of variety of guns. They also have these really cool walls of guns that you can put on. along with different attachments, as you can see. They have slight different variations that you can see from the left and right, and with scope and no scope attachments. With a mag and without a mag, they're very modular. And there are also quite a few storage boxes. It also comes with some variations of the C4 and different melee weapons and a claymore. And here are a bunch of modular parts that you can attach to different guns or scopes. And here are your different mags and your different types of ammo. And overall, that covers all the Polygon stuff. And that covers the low poly game dev bundle. Feel free to check it out on Humble Bundle, and the link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching Code0. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Feel free to join our Discord to join the Discord community filled with developers, or support me on Patreon or Ko-Fi in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.